What's up guys? In this video I'm going to be doing two EDF comparison sound, and I'm going to be comparing a 64 millimeter EDF to a 55 millimeter EDF. Now the 64 millimeter EDF is a 5-blade ducted fan, and the 55 millimeter EDF is a 8-blade ducted fan. So I'm just gonna do a sound comparison. I'll be using a 20 amp EAC, and for my battery I'll be using a 1300 milliamp battery and my servo tester. So let's begin the test. And this is the 55 millimeter EDF. Now this is the 64 millimeter EDF 5-blade ducted fan, and let's hear it sounds. Alright guys, so if I really had to choose, I would go with the 55 millimeter 8-blade ducted fan EDF. This one I bought on Banggood for $25, and it's a 4750 kV motor. It doesn't show on this, but online there you will have all the specs. But 8-blade, I will go with this. I love the sound of this 55 millimeter 8-blade ducted fan. So this is my preference. And this one, the 64 millimeter 4300 kV motor, 5 blade ducted fan. It's alright, but I love the sound of this one. So if I had to choose, I would go with this one. This one I bought on eBay for $35. So it's it's not that expensive, you know. It's reasonable. And this one pretty much 25 bucks on Banggood. And yeah, I'm gonna be trying this out pretty soon. But drop me, you know, in the comments, let me know which one would you would prefer, the 55 millimeter or the 64. But there's a difference in price, 25 bucks, 35 bucks. Once again, guys, if you found any value in this video, please drop me a like, and again, leave me a comment. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Thanks for watching. God bless.